Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
मैं सो जाऊं या मुस्तफा कहते कहते.
Today, inshallah Azza wa Jal, we will be discussing such an evil which is in almost every home, in almost every market, nay, but in almost every pocket. Yes, we will be discussing the evils and the destruction of music within our society.
When Sayyidina Adam Safiullah ala Nabi wa alayhi salatu salam ate from the forbidden tree, Shaitan the accursed, Iblis, rejoiced, he became happy. He began to enjoy and he began to sing.
Famous singer, he mentioned that once he was sitting on the beach and Shaitan approached him. And he said, he came in the form of a person and said, allow me to help you, I'll make you famous. And he openly confessed he's a Satanist. He said he never wrote a song in his life. But he says when he should get up and sing, he says the words should just flow from into his mind and he should just sing. And he says people used to get into a frenzy because of the influence of Satanism.
Watch the series Evils of Society on Thursday in Madinah Munawwara 10:30 p.m. and in Pakistan 12:30 a.m. on Madani channel.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह अज़्ज़ा वजल।